A few years ago, we asked a question. What would happen if everyone was listened to? If every voice had the same volume and was given the same respect? If, regardless of age, background, or ability, you were qualified to have your own page in the newspaper simply by existing? We started an online magazine and invited every young person in our city to fill its pages. A safe, anonymous platform where they could write absolutely anything they wanted, from opinions to politics to poetry about cheese. Nothing would be rejected. No single person would decide what's important. Every voice was equal. We supported with editing where necessary, ensuring everything met a certain standard, but on the whole, users had free rein. We strove never to censor, but rather to educate. Aggressive posts weren't blocked. Instead, we worked with the poster to help them convey their point in a diplomatic and respectful manner. Communication cures conflict by reminding us that we're all human. By facilitating dialogue between people from all walks of life, something wonderful emerged: understanding. Being able to discuss any topic openly, without judgment, meant people opened up and shared their stories. It became a powerful tool to dismantle prejudice, to remind people they weren't alone in their feelings. Before long, it had become a network of peer-to-peer support and information, and all we did was occasionally correct the spelling. We've had extraordinary success in our city, and now want to share our model with the world.